Here we have a Volkswagen Polo Mark 6 SE 1 litre 65 PS hatchback. Now, as you can see, the car is in great condition and it comes with many features. These include automatic LED headlights, hill hold control, an automatic post-collision braking system and hydraulic brake assist. It also comes with 15-inch alloy wheels as well as a spacious boot with a spare wheel. The interior includes a multifunction colour display, wireless app connect and a composition media system with USB. For more information on this fantastic car, as well as many others, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.